Hey guys, I'm Kanad, the founder and CEO of Learnmet. Learnmet is a global knowledge network and platform for sharing knowledge no matter which stage of life you are at. Whether you are at school, college, university, or you are at a job. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a trainer, a consultant, or a blogger. Learnmet has got you all the tools and technologies that you need to succeed under one umbrella. A key feature of the Learnmet platform is the blogging tool that we call the Learnmet Article Factory. Using Learnmet blogs, you can share your thoughts, your work, your story on anything as articles the quickest way, and quickly share your articles on social media and on Learnmet's own social networking environment. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough of how the Learnmet blogging system works. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking below so you do not miss any video whenever we launch them. And do not forget to share this video with your friends. Let's begin the walkthrough. Okay, so to begin with the blogging system walkthrough, I need to log in to a user account, and here for this walkthrough video, I have chosen the Learnmet admin account. So let me log in. And once I log in, I go to the social timeline of the Learnmet admin account. Now, before I start going deeper and show you, micro details of the blogging system, let me show you how a blog looks like once it is published. Let me try to search a blog on business topic. Let's see if we get one. Okay, we have quite a few. Let me pick up international trade fundamentals. So this is a blog one of our Learnmet users have created using the Learnmet blogging tool and published. So this blog, and this is how your blogs are going to be viewed by all the visitors to your profile, to your Learnmet profile, and whenever you share your blogs to social media network, they're going to follow the links and land on this particular page of your blogs, and this is how it's going to look like to them. So it starts with your name and then who you are, then the cover image for the blog, then the blog content starts. You scroll down, there are some images this user have added inside the blog. And at the bottom of a blog, you have the social share icon. So you can, if you want to share this blog on your Facebook, you can click on the Facebook icon and then you can share. And this is where you can leave comments for the blog. And an important thing to notice on the side is all your courses, your upcoming webinars, your instructor-led sessions, or your other blogs are going to appear on the site. So that's an added advantage. So people not only just look at your blog, but your blog, they follow the link, but also they get an understanding of what's going on with your profile. So they get an understanding of basically all your courses. Your courses are also so basically all your courses and your articles are also visible to all the visiting users. Now they can click on view all, and which will take them to your blog list page. So basically this is where all your blogs are listed, your blog main page. And they can click on read more and go to the respective blog and read your content. Cool, right? Okay, so let's go back to our profile. And on our social timeline, at the left of your profile page, so this is where all your latest articles are going to be listed. So the latest three articles are going to be here. So anybody can click on them as well and land on one of your blog pages. Okay, so I'm going back, and there is another way to go to your blog list page. If people click on the articles link, they also land on your blog list page, so they get to see all the different blogs that you have published. And again, click on read more, and they can read the content of that specific blog. Cool. So let's go to our dashboard. Now there are two ways to go to dashboard. One, the way I just did, or you can go to dashboard clicking this blue icon on your social timeline. So we are at our dashboard. So once we are at dashboard, then we see this my articles link. Click on that link, and this is your blog management page. Now let's start understanding this page a little better. So it starts with a search field. So basically, this is where you can search all your blogs. So I get 3 blogs that somewhere in the title has the student keyword. Let me go back to my articles page. And these are all the different blogs that this user has been working on. Now there are a bunch of different icons we can see. So let's see what they are. So this is the delete icon. So clicking on this, you can delete a blog. This is a pencil icon. Clicking on this, you can go to the edit mode. And when you see this orange button, that means this article has not been published yet. And wherever we see this green cloud icon, that means these particular blogs are published. Now I can click on this to unpublish the blog instantly. And there is a blue icon. So clicking on this blue icon, you would get a drop down. So basically, we often, time to time, we run article writing contests over the internet on the Learnmet platform, and people do submit their articles for a respective contest. Now, as of now, there is no contest running, but if you want to submit one of your articles to a contest, this is how you can do that. You can select the contest and submit. So I'm gonna delete this blog. It's a draft blog, and I'm going to start creating a fresh. Before I start creating a fresh blog, I just wanted to show you also there is a pagination. So if there are quite a few blogs and you don't see them, that means you have to go to the next page and you will see your blog. So that's the pagination to navigate through all your blogs that you have. Now I'm going to pick a blog with the most view. There are 1,840 views for this blog, and I'm going to try to edit that blog. So this is how a blog editor looks like. It starts with the topic, then the keywords, then a short description. Now, let me tell you that what this short description does. Whenever you share a blog, whether the blog is shared on the Learnmet social timeline, on the Learnmet network, or any of the outside social media platforms, so this short description goes along with your cover image and the link for your blog. So this is very important because this is what people read when you share your Learnmet blog. And if they like it, they click on the link and they get to the blog and read the rest of the content. And then it comes with the editor for the content, and this is where you can write your stuff. You can add images, videos. I'm going to show you in a while how to add an image and a video. And you also have all other required tools that you need for online word processing. Now, clicking on this maximize button, you can do a full screen editor, and you can also preview your blog by clicking the preview icon. Okay, let me close the preview. Let me minimize. Okay, so now let me show you how to select a cover image. You can do that for a fresh blog as well. Now, whenever we are selecting these cover images, we are going to select the image from the public folder we have. Now, let me tell you that Learnmet also do have a online file storage management system. So basically, that's a dedicated file storage for you. The free users get about 1 gigabytes, and our Prime users get about 20 gigabytes of space for storing files and using them across the Learnmet platform whenever they're creating either a course or a webinar or an article. So they can use this, or they can use this file storage to store their files for future references. Now I'm gonna search for a JPEG file here, and I'm going to select login.jpg, and that's my cover image for my blog. Well, this is a live blog, so I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to show you that how it works. And you have a publish and a save button. So the save button saves a draft article and keeps it ready for you to review anytime in future. So basically, you can keep writing, and whenever you are done, you can save it and you can restart. You can go to your My Articles page, you can pick it up. And the great thing is this works amazingly on any devices. So whether you are on the go, you are away from home on your mobile device, then you can also edit your articles anytime you want, anywhere you want, on any device. So again, let me go back and start editing the articles back again. And once you are done with all your editing and everything, you are happy with your blog, then it's a matter of clicking the publish button. And once you click the publish button, your article will be published on the Learnmet network. And all your followers on Learnmet would receive a notification that so-and-so user have just published a new blog, so they can immediately come to your blog and read that. And also, the moment you publish this, our automated marketing system picks it up and start distributing in our extended networks and partner networks. So your blog gets an immediate impact as soon as possible, the moment you are done with publishing the blog. Now, if you need more working space, you can just click on that, and it's gonna take all the height for all the content. Or if you need even further, you can click on this and drag. It will give you more room for work. So that was pretty much it for the blog editor. Now let's go back and start creating a new article. I'm entering the topic. Now I'll enter a few keywords. Keywords are very important because the search engines do index them, and it's very important to choose the keywords in relation to your blog so that it has got the maximum impact when people are searching for your blog. So the search engines can return your blog to an incoming search request, and these keywords are very important. That's my description. Again, let me remind you, the description is also very important because this goes along with your cover image and the blog link whenever you share the blog inside Learnmet or outside Learnmet. So you need to choose this short description carefully because this is what people are going to read at first before they get to your blog. So that should be something very catchy and related to your blog. Okay, now I'm going to select a cover image. Okay, and let me start writing. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an YouTube video in between these two sentences. So first I will go to YouTube, I will copy a YouTube video link, I'll come back to Learnmet, and I will click on the YouTube icon and paste the video URL. Now you can keep the width and the height the way you want for your blog, but I always recommend to make it responsive so that it goes very well with any devices. And you can click on the autoplay checkbox. What it does is whenever your blog loads and the video loads, it starts playing the video, the YouTube video. Okay, so we have our video in. Hey guys, I'm Kanad. We can play it, and then I'm gonna insert an image. Go to Upload tab. Choose the image you want, send it to server. So send it to server, what it does, it saves the image, put an alt text. Well, there are multiple different guidelines available on Google. There are probably millions of blogs available to tell you how to write a great blog. So I always recommend you go and read those resources because they tell you a bunch of different tips and techniques on how to create a great looking blog so you become a pro blogger following those tips. And Learnmet provides you all the tools that you need to write and promote your blogs. And this is very simple and sweet as we go. So we are probably just 5 minutes into the walkthrough. We're almost creating a blog. Well, this is not a fully ready blog because we do not really have much of a content, but I can show you some of our users have created blog just uploading a YouTube video. So that's a great way of promoting their YouTube video with some content about the video, and they have been doing great with those kind of micro blogs. So we did not limit your possibilities. So we give you all the different tools that you need. Now it's up to you what kind of blog you want to write on Learnmet and promote. Sometimes the blogs are supporting content to promote your courses or your webinars on Learnmet, or just to share free content because something that you know well and you want people to learn from your stories. Okay, so now I'm gonna save this article. Cool, it's saved now. And we're gonna go back to my articles page, and this is our blog. So I can click on the pencil icon and I can start editing anytime on any device I want. Now let me go back and show how it looks like on the social timeline. Now these are some of our blogs that we have created. So uploading the syllabuses for different countries and regions. So that's the blog that we have created, and as I told you, you have the share icons at the bottom. Then these are all the comments, and at the right side you see all the other articles from this user. Click on view all, you go to the blog list. We have already seen it. You click on read more, and that's how you land on a specific blog to read. Let me go back to my profile, and I have already shown you this is how all the blogs would appear on your social timeline, or somebody else's blog. If you follow somebody, their blogs, their courses, their activities on Learnmet could also populate on your timeline. So you can like them, you can share them on your timeline, or you can comment on the blogs or on the posts. So basically, as soon as you have a blog published, they are posted on, they're posted automatically by the system, and all your followers receives a notification. So that's pretty much it about the article factory and the blogging tool on Learnmet. If you have any questions or query, please comment, and please like this video and share this video. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below so you do not miss any video whenever we launch them. See you in the next video.